up friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a Labubu monster. So first let's get started with the eyes, and on both sides we're going to curve this line around and then up towards the side, just leaving a gap in the middle. Now moving underneath, we're going to draw in an oval, connecting that from each side. Now moving in towards the middle of both eyes, we're going to draw in a nice big oval. And then moving in towards the top, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for the highlight. Now for the nose directly in the center, let's draw in a small curved line. And then we're going to connect this on the bottom with the letter V, curving that in the center. Now for the mouth coming directly under on the left, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then up on the right. And now for the teeth, we're just going to create some triangles, curving them as we come down towards the bottom. And we're going to replicate this as we come all the way around and over on the right. Now let's close off the rest of the face. So coming in towards the top, we're going to curve this line out and then down. We'll do the same on the left. We're going to move across on both sides now. And then again, one more time. Now from here, we're going to arch this line all the way down and then up. Moving down again, curving this line in, back up. And then now we're going to curve this line down one more time, bringing that up. And then now we're just going to connect this together from left to right with a curved line. Now in the center, we're going to curve this line over and then down on the top. We'll do the same on the left. We'll move across on both sides, replicating that. Now from here, let's bring this line down, arching that back in. Let's move down again from that corner. Again, curving this line further down, back up. Now on the left, bringing this line back in and then up. We'll do the same on the right. And then from here again, bringing this in towards the middle. And then we'll close this off on the bottom with a small curved line. Drawing in our ears now, let's draw in a nice big arch line on the right-hand side. We'll move across, leaving a small gap, replicating this over on the left. Now from here, we're going to curve this line up, back down. And then again, one more time. Now in the middle, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line. We'll do the same on the left. And then moving directly in towards the middle, let's draw in another arch line. Now let's move down and draw in our bodies. So on both sides for the arms, we're going to curve this line out and then in. We're going to start from that line, curving this line out again, bringing that back in. We're going to bring this line out and then across. And then again, curving this line out and then up. Now closing off the side of the body from that corner, bringing this line down. We're going to bring this line out and then in and back out. And then now in the center, we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. We're going to draw in a small diagonal line that comes out on both sides. On the inside, let's curve this line out. And now from here, we're just going to draw in a zigzag pattern as we come all the way over and across on the side. Now for the hands, for the thumb, we're going to bring this line out and then down. Let's draw in a zigzag pattern, drawing in 3 fingers, so 3 triangles in total as we come across. Let's draw something similar for the feet now. So we're going to draw in a curved line on the left and right hand side, ending that at the same height. And then again, 3 times, just drawing in 3 triangles as we come all the way over to close off the feet. Lastly, we're just going to add in some fur details now. So on the right, we're going to draw in a zigzag pattern. We'll do the same on the bottom left. Let's move up on the right. We'll draw one over here. And then on the top right here, as well as on the top left. And that is it. That's how you draw a Labubu monster. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and always drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.